decimal 850, goodbye.
Cargo 4852, Zürich-Kloten, good morning. Hold short of runway 16, landing traffic.
Hold short 16, landing traffic, Challenge Cargo 4852.
Correct, your departure in about 4 minutes.
Roger.
Challenge Cargo 4852, line up runway 16 and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 16, Challenge Cargo 4852.
Challenge Cargo 4852, would you be ready for departure in 1.5 minutes?
4852, yes sir, we'll need a 30-second engine run up and then we'll be ready.
Thank you. Flyer on 904 Zulu, wind 220 degrees 3 knots, runway 28, clear takeoff.
28, clear takeoff, flyer 940.
Exclusive jet 703, hold short of 28, hello. Challenge Cargo 4852, wind 220 degrees 3 knots, runway 16, clear takeoff.
Roger sir, we need 30 seconds here with the engine run up and then we're clear takeoff runway 16.
Roger, report loading.
Roger.
Exclusive jet 703, your departure in about 4 minutes. Line up and wait runway 28.
Line up and wait to exit,
Flyer 904 Zulu, connect departure, good day.
Departure, flyer 940 Zulu, goodbye.
75 Hotel, connect apron 121.850.
Please now, 375 Hotel. Challenge Cargo 4852 is rolling runway 16.
Thank you.
Hello, that's 115 Romeo.
115 Romeo, hello again on Juliet, cross runway 28, connect apron 121.750, bye-bye.
On true, requesting to 121.750, so 115 Romeo, bye.
Hotel Uniform Kilo, taxi forward, hold short of runway 28.
Established 1-4.
Twin 5 on Delta Tower, hello, wind 200 degrees 5 knots, runway 14, clear to land.
1-4, clear to land, is 5 on Delta. 375 Hotel, holding short 28.
75 Hotel, Juliet, cross runway 28, apron 121.75, Chantal.
Juliet, cross to 811.75, basically for 375 Hotel.
Challenge Cargo 4852, connect departure 125.950, have a good day.
75950, Challenge Cargo 4852, bye-bye.